Welcome to another episode of Gen 5 Restomods. Today we're doing a quick update on the Vintage Air Gen 2 heater unit. I've used these for, the last 4 or 5 years because they fit inside and they remove the ugly core, the heater core on the firewall, and that allows you to have a smooth firewall. So in here we have the unit itself, which is right here. Also jammed in here, I've got the 8L90 TCU transmission controller unit and the E92. There's also a bunch of other stuff in there, like the e-brake and Dakota Digital and the electronics for the harness. So let's go down and take a closer look here. So the way that this works is that I close this off for fresh air vent and I install the heater hoses while the car is being prepared and prepped and painted. So I end up with these blank hoses that come in, and I like it because it's cleaner. They don't run along the inner fender well, they're behind the chase. So this is the control unit, which is water in, the coolant in, electronics. And to get this thing to work, you've got to get one of these straight pieces, which doesn't come with the kit. I just cut it down to fit and then slide it on. So those are just straight pieces, 3/4 up on the top and 5/8 coming in. So to get this to work, I remove the flapper on the kick panel and cut it down so I can get it in there easier. Fortunately for the Camaro, they give you a blank fascia here, which allows you to install the controls. The lower one is the stock one, and they just came out with a new billet version, and that'll go in there, look a little bit nicer. Over here is the e-brake from Willwood, so that's part of the electronic package. So that's a quick update on Gen 2 heater control from Vintage Air.